And tell me, good or bad, Juliet Holness as the Speaker of the House? Comment and tell me in the comment section, my people. Juliet Holness, is she a good or a bad Speaker of the House, everybody? You understand? Now, while corruption continues to shroud in the Holness situation, my people, of course, Juliet Holness has now the situation in court. You understand? We're going to talk about that. You understand? Of course, now we now find out what is happening with the situation of the $800 million apartment complex that she's currently now standing trial in the courts before. Get this video to 1,000 likes, my people. Share the video and subscribe to the channel. Welcome everybody to Virtual TV Vlogs. And yes, it is indeed Guidance Saturdays. You understand me? I say everybody, Virtual TV wishes you guidance in all your endeavors for the rest of the day. Drop a like on the video. Good or bad, Juliet Holness as Speaker of the House, my people. Simple question, simple answer. You understand? You have to go select good if she's a good House Speaker, or bad if she is a bad House Speaker. And this is your opinion. You understand? Alright? Yes. Now, there is still one big question that Virtual TV wants answers to. And that is, what is it? The standings of the Holness statutory declaration. Is it a joint declaration between husband and wife, which is normal, regular thing that because they're husband and wife, they might share incomes, assets, and liabilities. You understand? But if that's the case, and Holness home wasn't declared, and according to the People's National Party, they're saying that Andrew Holness is being investigated for illicit enrichment, wouldn't that make Juliet Holness just the same also? Think about it. It's a joint declaration. If it's a joint declaration, it means according to the PNP, you understand, Andrew Holness is being investigated for illicit enrichment. That would have made Juliet Holness one of the illicit 8. You understand? I'm just saying. I just ask, wouldn't that make her one of the 8? Right? Yeah, but just put 2 and 2 together, everybody. Drop a like on the video, share the video, my people, as we now go to, of course, what is happening right now. $800 million Jamaican dollars apartment complex. You understand? We will now get to the final details pertaining to that. Good House Speaker or bad House Speaker? Select your one in the comment section. Subscribe and drop a like on the video. So we will now get to the article, my people, which is sources The Observer. No. Anyway, Kingston, Jamaica, JAJ Development Holdings Limited, a company owned by Speaker of the House of Representatives and the Member of Parliament for South St. Andrew East Rural, Juliet Holness, has emerged as the victor in a legal battle against Dr. Charlene Ashley concerning the rightful ownership and transfer of land located in Forest Hill, St. Andrew. Did this surprise you? Now, according to Ashley, my people, she's allegedly saying and making allegations that Juliet Holness bullied her. She's saying Juliet Holness used allegedly men to bully her. You understand? Moving right along. No, the judgment was delivered on Friday by the Supreme Court Judge Justice Batts. The defendant, Dr. Charlene Ashley, reportedly had counterclaimed for alleged breaches of contracts and trespass, but did not succeed on any of these allegations except for a finding that there was some damage to terrace, which resulted in the award of $1 million Jamaican dollars. Now, JAJ in a statement on Friday said that the Supreme Court has issued a number of significant orders in favor of Holness, including a directive for the defendant to deliver a registered title to a specific parcel of land within 90 days. Now, it is said that this land forms a part of the subdivision identified in a survey prepared by Noel Shirley in September 2009 and is the subject of an agreement for sale previously entered into between the parties. Now, according to JAJ, the Registrar of Titles has been ordered to take steps to facilitate the proper transfer of titles and assess whether existing titles should be cancelled or replaced. Now, should the defendant fail to refuse to comply, the registrar of the Supreme Court has been empowered to execute all necessary documents on the defendant's behalf to effect the transfer. Additionally, the court has also awarded 2/3 of the legal cost to Holness's company. Boy, oh boy. No surprise there to me, if you ask me. But Juliet Holness, we need for no one to your declaration. We know say big money popping everywhere you go, but we need for no one to your declaration. The last time my eyes saw your declaration from the anti-corruption body was in 2019. 2019 or 2018 was the last known declaration that I seen the corruption body certify for you. Today is now, we're now in the year of 2025. What does I say? It would have been nice if the people them could have seen a declaration certified. That's all me I say. None too crazy. Me I hope me not ask for too much. Now, in judgment, Bats J said the allegations of intimidation and bullying levied against Mrs. Holness, her agents and servants were not proved. He found that Ashley's upset and tirade resulted from her failure to understand the claimants was entitled to an 8-meter roadway. The victory reinforced that Mrs. Holness described as her long-standing commitment to fairness, accountability, and protection of legal and other property rights. It is also highlighted that the importance of upholding legal bindings obligation and strengthens public confidence in the justice system. Mrs. Holness has expressed gratitude to the legal team led by attorney at law Rose Bennett Cooper for their diligence and professionalism throughout the proceedings. JAJ said. JAJ is the company, of course, to which Mrs. Holness owns, allegedly. You understand? Anyway, my people, make we finish up this now. And it also says that further steps will now be taken to pursue the recovery of awards cost and finalize the transfer of titles in accordance with the court ruling. So, as it looks now, it seems as if that Juliet Holness now won and Ashley only get $1 million. You see me? Now, Ashley made certain claims, of course, that she tried to use her phone to record what is happening. And she allegedly said, and these are allegations, by the way, that the men, allegedly, from Holness's company, tried to disarm her or maybe allegedly destroyed her device, which was recording the video. You understand? And as I said before, these are allegations. Me don't know for true because she has not provided the video on whether or not, them did a try, disarm her or whatever the case may be. But she was upset. But overall, my people, you know what I mean, we did expect this win. Because one thing we know for sure, you understand, the system. And that's all I can say pertaining to that. Now, of course, the $800 million apartment complex now comes, as it will continue, because Ashley will now have to turn over the titles and the necessary details of the information to Juliet Holness so she can, further construct what is going on. But these people have a lot of money. $800 million. $800 million. Boy, I'm not lie to you. Won't even take all right. But I take one little piece. Just one small piece. And then just do what we need to do. You understand? So, this is in the form of an apartment complex, my people. And again, Juliet Holness won the case between she and Dr. Charlene Ashley. Dr. Charlene Ashley was awarded $1 million for damages that the courts have identified. You understand? That is what the award goes to. She has not won anything else. The victor is JULIET Holness as it relates to that. But we still want to see the declaration certified. That's all I can say. Everybody, it's Guidance Saturdays. Everybody, drop a like on the video, share the video. Welcome to Virtual TV Vlog. Subscribe later on. My God.